Kublai pi baro kini kilongki kubor bamta kasngi. Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad Kisang Maha kasngi baar ula penimna baka sarkar jela kala Shimrai ban Pynkha ya ka Directorate of Forensic Science support ke jela. Kani ka rai kalami na ka jingyalang jangka kinhun menteri balong ne kasngi haba pentip baka jela kala dep don ya ka sel jangka forensic science ka batrekam hapo ka jingkmi jangka tanan Meghalaya Police. Menteri Rangba ulo ong bakat kum ka jingtha ka Human Rights Commission ka jela ka don kam Pynkha la ka jong ka Directorate jong ka Forensic Science kanang bak country kam light lun. Bat light no na ka jingkmi ka Police Headquarter. Ula pentip baga ka Directorate kan hab apo katanat kampo yang ka jela. Menteri Rangba ula yathu bagi briu melani ki nong tray bat ki jingdon kam baro kila don lupa Hendrai ka badon kam kalong satang ya ka bor penyait administrative bala ban Shimrai ka bahaban pendam hagani ka Directorate. Ngilarai ban Pynkha ya ka tanat forensic da ka bapenti kena ya ka jingpen showbun hagi tiar gitar ki badon kam baro ula penram. Menteri Rangba upentip ru baga sarkar jela kan sa penmi no ru ya ka office memorandum OM bathamai habaya day bat ka jingpen tray kam ya ka reservation roster chisin bala penmi ya ka ni ka OM on sa penya no shakman ya ka jing thungkam thungjam hapo ka jela ong ukonran.
Also, we have decided that the Directorate of Forensic Sciences will be created. As you're aware that there is a forensic science cell that works, but it works under the police headquarters, and as per one of the human rights commissions, this particular department or directorate had to be created, which is going to be independent of the PHQ and comes straight under the Home Department, and hence that decision has been made today. So the manpower and necessary systems are in place, and hence it's only an administrative decision to have a separate directorate for forensic sciences. And of course, we have also decided that we will strengthen the entire forensics department by ensuring that more investments are made in different equipments. The office memo for the reservation roster amendments were put up today to be made in the reservation roster, so that the reservation roster OM is clear. And with these amendments now in the office memorandum, the process of recruitment will also be starting post the office memorandum for the reservation roster that will come out most probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow.